What's up, you friggin' geniuses? So, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to find the least common multiple between two numbers. And we're going to use something simply referred to as the list multiples method. Okay, but before we jump into that, let's make sure we understand what multiples are. Okay, so for example, if I wanted to find multiples of 10, how could I do that? Well, I could simply just count by tens, right? I could go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 70, 80, 90, and 100. And I could keep going, right? I'll just stop there though. Okay, so same thing. What if I wanted to find multiples of 25? Well, I could just count by 25s, right? So 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, and we'll just stop there. Okay, I could keep going, but I'm just going to stop. Okay, so these are, so here on the top I have a bunch of multiples of 10, and here on the bottom I have a bunch of multiples of 25, right? So common multiples of, in this example anyways, of 10 and 25, are numbers that appear in both of these lists. Okay, so maybe you can find some, so maybe you've already spotted some. So we have 50 here, and we also have 50 here, okay? We have 100 here, and we have 100 here, okay? And if I kept listing more numbers, you'd see that there's more common multiples between 10 and 25. Okay, but if I'm looking for the lowest or the least common multiple, that means I want to pick the smallest number or the smallest multiple that they have in common. Okay, so in this example, would that be 50 or 100? Well, obviously it'd be 50, right? Because 50 is smaller than 100. So the least common multiple of 10 and 25 is equal to 50. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward, right? But let's do one more example. Okay, so let's say I wanted to find the least common multiple of 9 and, let's say, 12. Okay, so again, how would I do that? Well, first I would list out their multiples. Okay, so I'm going to list out the multiples of 9. So what would those be? That'd be 9, 18, 27, 36, 40, 45, right? And I could keep going if I wanted to, but I think that's enough. So those are multiples of 9, and now I want to find them for 12. Okay, so I'm going to list multiples of 12. So that'd be 12, 24, 36, 48, and so on. Okay, now I want to find the smallest number that they both have in common. So in this case, that would be 36 and 36. So the LCM of 9 and 12 is equal to 36. Okay, so that's how you find the least common multiple of two numbers by a method of just listing out multiples. All right, guys, so I hope that was helpful. If it was, I always appreciate you leaving a thumbs up down below. If you got any more questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to try and help you out. There's a pre-algebra playlist attached to the end of the video. If there's any other topics you need to check out, definitely check it out, and I'll see you there.